Hi everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 28th, 2020. In this additional, we have 6 Sudokus, and this is a number 5, a binary puzzle. But what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. We have a double 1 here an O, there an O. A double 1 here an O, there an O. A double O here and 1, there and 1. A double 1 here an O, there an O. A double 1 here an O, there an O. A double 1 here an O, and there an O. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones, 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, a double 1 here and O, there and O. A double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Then I cannot continue, I see. So we need to compare again. How about this one is almost the same like this one. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, yes, but I cannot continue because I cannot finish the column, so I need more information. How about with here? No. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place the O there, the 4th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s and the rest are O's. Now I can compare. So those are the same except these 2 at the end and the beginning. So this digit should be a 1 and this digit should be an O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. And these two are so similar. Identical columns, except I do not know what digits here and there should be. So I need to continue with another column or a row. Difficult. Can I compare this one? double O, no. 1, 2, 3. If I place the 1, 2, 3. The 3 could be everywhere. 4, 4. This one. This row and that row. Let's compare. O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O. Empty box, 1, 1. Yes. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O there, so this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Between two O's comes an 1. And now I can switch these two numbers, but I do not have, because between two 1's comes an O and between two O's comes an 1. We have 4 1's here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Yes, finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you again for watching this binary Sudoku. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional, the tectonic Sudoku, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye.